This beef tongue stew is beyond easy to make. You're going to start by cooking your beef tongue either in a pot or in a pressure cooker with some aromatics. I've used onion, garlic, celery, green onion, bay leaves, and you're going to cook it for about an hour. Once it's cooked, you're going to peel off the tough white outer skin on the tongue, and you can set it aside to cool. You're also going to strain the beef stock and use it as part of the rest of the recipe. So I've cut this here to let it cool. Next, I'm cutting up my vegetables. I'm using zucchinis, tomatoes, and onions. You can use any other vegetable you'd like, but the key here is that you want to cut them in relatively even pieces so that everything cooks together nicely. You can heat up some butter or oil in a deep pan. You're going to fry off the onions, and then you're going to, as everything cooks, you're going to add in ladlefuls of the stock that you set aside. Once your vegetables are mostly cooked, you can add in your cubed pieces of beef tongue and continue stewing everything until the vegetables are completely tender. The beef is very, very soft, and everything smells absolutely delicious. You can add salt or other spices to taste, and just look at this melt in your mouth stew. It's so freaking good.